Welcome to C.Tube, where ancient Chinese strategy meets modern life. Through timeless tales of power, wisdom, and intrigue, we decode the art of decision-making, self-awareness, and navigating the complexities of career and life. Let history be your greatest teacher. In today's story, we journey back to the Han Dynasty, where a loyal regent, Huoguang, faced the perilous challenge of safeguarding the empire under a child emperor. More than just a tale of regency and power, this is a story about loyalty and restraint, how one man held absolute authority without losing the trust of rulers and ministers alike. Let's step into the moment and see what it reveals about us today. Part 1. Entrusted with the Empire. During the reign of Emperor Wu of Han, Huoguang served as cavalry captain and later as Grand Master of the palace attendants. He accompanied the emperor on every journey, earning deep trust through 2 decades of careful judgment and flawless service. When Emperor Wu fell gravely ill, he wished to pass the throne to his young son, Liu Fuling, born to Lady Zhao. But the emperor knew that a child could not rule alone. After long deliberation, he concluded that only Huoguang possessed the steadiness and integrity to shoulder the responsibility of guiding the empire. To signal his intent, the emperor gifted Huoguang a painting of the Duke of Dou, carrying the young King Tone of Dou to meet the feudal lords, a reminder that history had once entrusted a minister with safeguarding the throne. On his deathbed, when Huoguang asked who should inherit the great Han legacy, the emperor replied, "Do you not understand the meaning of the painting? The boy shall reign, and you shall act as his guardian." Though reluctant, Huoguang accepted. Upon Emperor Wu's death, the child, Liu Fuling, ascended as Emperor Zhao, with Huoguang appointed Grand General of the Han Empire. From that moment, he held supreme authority and governed with balance and order, earning the respect of the court. One day, when strange omens unsettled the palace, Huoguang requested custody of the imperial seal for safekeeping. The official in charge refused, declaring that even under fear, he would not break the rules of the state. Enraged at first, Huoguang quickly recognized the man's loyalty to law, praised him publicly, and granted him a noble rank. His fairness and humility won admiration across the empire. Part 2. Master of Stability. When Emperor Dao died young, the court enthroned Li He, king of Tongyi. Yet Li He soon proved unfit, indulging in reckless pleasures and neglecting state affairs. Fearing disaster, Huoguang convened senior ministers and, with approval from the Empress Dowager, deposed the emperor. He personally escorted Liu He back to his residence, weeping as he declared, "Your actions do not match the dignity of a son of heaven. We servants may bear guilt before you, but we cannot betray the ancestral temple." His tears reflected both sorrow and unshakable loyalty to the realm. For nearly 2 decades, Huoguang remained the pillar of the Han Dynasty. Calm and meticulous, he handled matters great and small, with unwavering precision, so disciplined that even his footsteps within the palace fell upon the same spot every day. Under his leadership, rebellions were suppressed, diplomacy with the Xiongnu was restored, and the economy began to recover. The people flourished, the court grew stable, and his reputation as a selfless guardian of the dynasty endured. Now, let's break it down into the key takeaways you won't want to forget. Serving as a regent was among the most perilous roles in imperial China. Many who held such power met with violent ends in life or condemnation after death. Yet in this regard, Huoguang was unusually fortunate. During his lifetime, he enjoyed high honors and deep respect, even from the emperor himself. After his passing, his reputation remained largely intact. Though his family later fell due to their own crimes, this did not tarnish his personal legacy. The position of regent meant holding supreme authority without being sovereign, a dangerous balance. A minister, tasked with guiding or acting on behalf of the emperor, risked being accused of usurpation or overreaching power at any misstep. Huoguan, however, managed this balance with remarkable skill. His long years of service under Emperor Wu had cultivated a cautious and steady temperament, while his political acumen allowed him to govern effectively. Even in the delicate act of deposing the decadent king of Chang'e, Huoguan handled matters with both principle and courtesy. He first secured consensus from fellow ministers, then personally apologized to the dethroned ruler, showing respect without surrendering firmness. This blend of discipline and restraint defined his statesmanship. In the end, even those who found fault with him would agree. He was a capable and loyal minister, one who embodied the rare art of wielding great power without losing legitimacy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into history and insight, don't forget to subscribe for more stories that reveal the wisdom behind the ages.